Whop versus Skool. Where should you host your program? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So, if you're a coach, course creator, or digital entrepreneur trying to decide where to host your course, coaching program, or community, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into Whop versus Skool, breaking down the pros, cons, and helping you figure out which one is best for your online business. So, let's jump in. Let's clear up a major misconception right away that most of the people think Whop is just another course or program hosting platform just like Skool. But here's the reality. Whop is primarily a payment infrastructure platform with added features for various courses. So you can simply, add community hosting. Skool, on the other hand, is laser focused on course and community delivery with built in engagement tools and a clean layout. So, the biggest fundamental difference is that WOP has advanced monetization plus a digital product suite. Skool has streamlined course plus community experience. So, what you can host? Now, both platforms allow you to run the basics such as online courses, community forums, live sessions, membership products. So, if your goal is to turn your knowledge into income by selling digital products, both platforms will technically do the job. So, at this stage, we can call it a tie, 1 point for WOP, 1 point for Skool. Then, let's talk about built in audience discovery. So, both Whop and Skool claim to offer For You feeds for Explore pages that help users find your community organically. But the truth is, they're both underwhelming. So, very few people get meaningful traffic just by being on these platforms. So, if you're serious about growth, you'll still need to bring in people through social media marketing, paid advertising, cold outreach, strategic partnerships. So, again, don't rely on platform visibility, focus on external traffic. Now, let's get into user interaction, that is, the user interface and overall experience. This is where Skool absolutely shines. Its UI is simple, sleek, and incredibly easy for members to navigate, even if they're not tech savvy. It's built to minimize confusion and help your customers access your material quickly. What feels more like a Discord style interface, great if your audience is younger or already used to tools like Slack or Telegram, but it can be overwhelming for casual learners. So, if ease of use matters, for your audience, Skool takes the win here. Let's move on to landing pages, which is a crucial part of selling your product. Both platforms offer native landing page builders, but to be honest, they're both pretty limited. Whop gives you more control than Skool. You can add media and you can, totally customize layout a bit more, but neither is a full-scale sales funnel tool. In fact, when I moved my landing page off Skool and built one on dedicated website, I went from charging $60 to selling the same community access for $500 just because my page converted better. So here's the tip. Use Skool or Whop for hosting, but build your landing page externally using tools like Webflow, Kajabi, or a custom site. You'll get better results. Next, let's talk about payment processing. So this might be the most important section, that is payments and checkout flow. So Whop is a payment first platform. That means it gives you, flexibility, flexible pricing options, subscription models, one-time payments, and promo codes, and even crypto and PayPal support. So you can create multiple checkout links and serve different price points easily. So Skool, on the other hand, relies on Stripe only and has limited customization in how you charge and deliver your content. So, if payment flexibility matters to you, Whop is the clear winner. Then, let me give you a quick note on pricing. So, Whop takes a small percentage starting at 3% per transaction with no upfront fees. On the other hand, Skool charges $99 per month after a free trial. That's a flat rate. So if you're just getting started and want to avoid fixed monthly costs, Whop is more budget friendly. But if you prefer a predictable flat fee and know you'll make consistent revenue, Skool may be easier to manage long term. So what's the final verdict? Choose Whop if you sell a mix of digital products and not just courses, you want flexible payment options, your audience is comfortable with a Discord style interface, you prefer low startup costs. Choose School if your focus is purely on courses and community. You value clean, easy navigation for your users. You're okay with paying monthly. You want a simple, gamified environment for engagement. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.